Alright, what do we have here today? This is the Ryobi 1 plus HP brushless hammer drill. Have a quick look at it. So it does come with the drill itself, a handle to make this thing more stable when you use it. Looks a little awkward, I explain in a minute. And then it comes with a bunch of paperwork here, like some flyers with commercials, and then the manual, of course, warranty and those things in there. Right? And this is a relatively new unit, tool only here in this case, and it's brushless. Okay, I don't know, the old one I had, the old drill I had here, this is the old one, it's not brushless, I think. I'm not sure if it's brushless or not, I don't know. It would probably say brushless if it would be. And so what it doesn't come with is the battery, of course. Okay, let's take a quick look at the battery. One of my batteries, so that would be on top of the price of the tool-only unit, and a charger, of course. But yeah, this is what you get, and let's review it, or even at least talk about it. Maybe the actual review, like drilling a hole into the ground, is on a different video, but let's try this first. Let's compare the sound it makes compared to one of those old ones. Yeah, I'm just going to go in here, there, and we're going to listen to it for a second. This one. We listen to it at like full speed. Right, have that. And then we have here a transmission in there, where we can slow it down. Motor is turning the same, just the tool attachment is slower, okay? So we have a noise there, and then we look at this one here. Way more powerful. Also does have a transmission, gear 1 and gear 2. And instead of having here a little magnet to hold your tools, this one does have a light, where it for a while illuminates your work spot, your workplace. And then we have this here, right? This is all metal, if you look at it. Compared to the old one, this metal too here, but there's a lot of plastic, and you can see from using it how this wears out over time. Still works though, but there's a big difference here in this one. And a blinding light here, right? You can't turn this off only with your hand or tape. Okay, so this is what it is. Then we have here the clutch, where we can select a torque. Right, it starts out here, and then it has like 20 or so, 22 settings for torque. And then we have the drill option and the hammer drill option. Right? Okay, so that's how that goes. And then at the end, if we want to use this, we need to have a drill. Now, you need to buy something like this, where it's a hammer bit. Okay, and then the question is, what fits in here? Not the regular hammer bit drills. Here we have this kind of thing, like with a hex connector. Or I have here a longer one that has a round with those 3 bars in there. That kind of mount. And this one here is a little longer. Look at that. So that kind of drill bit you need in order to be happy with it. So this would go in here. And then you have to lock it, of course, in the center here. Here we are in the center, locked. And when you spin it, it spins straight. We're gonna go fast, right? Look at that. Yeah, that's how this looks like. The Ryobi brushless 1 HP. High performance. It's a little heavier than the old one I have here, but overall, I mean, you don't have the cable to worry about. It's looking pretty good. We're going outside, I think, and check this thing and drill a hole into concrete and see how that is going to work. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one.